Mushroom mint soba noodle salad. Place the soba noodles into a bowl, pour boiling water over the top and let stand until soft. Give it a stir, then set aside. Cut 1 carrot into matchsticks. Slice 2 cucumbers on the diagonal. Slice 3 brown mushrooms. Shred 1/4 of an iceberg lettuce. Shred 1 handful of mint leaves. Peel a thumb-sized piece of ginger and chop finely. Add the sliced chili and chopped ginger, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and the juice of a lime to a jug. Add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup and stir well. Strain the water off the noodles and run under cold water. Place all the chopped vegetables into a bowl, pour over the dressing, massage the dressing into the salad, add the drained noodles and mix into the salad. Place onto a plate, top with some sesame seeds and serve.